Hi, Diamonds. How are you guys? Sparkling and shining. I hope and pray that you guys are having a great day. And I hope that the job hunting is coming along 100% fine. Well, today I have another couple of great jobs that I have lined up for you guys. It's called, this is one out of this company called American Answering Service. It's a telephone operator job. It's based in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a remote position, and it's $11 to $14 per hour, full-time and part-time position. And the experience you have to have is typing, and the languages, if you have these are plus Spanish and bilingual. And the job qualifications is experience 1 typing year required. The location is Las Vegas, Nevada. Is required. You have to be in that location, and the language is English, and Spanish is required. And work authorization in the United States is required. And the benefits is a flexible schedule. The full job description of this job is American Answering Service is currently looking for bilingual English/Spanish individuals with friendly voices and typing skills to fill open, full, and part-time positions. All shifts for answering service operators. Training is provided. And applicants should be able to multitask, type at least 30 words per minute, have an upbeat, friendly voice, have reliable transportation, be able to work unsupervised at times, be able to work in a unique work environment, pass a brief spelling test. Experience is a plus, but not required. Training is provided. And the schedule is an 8-hour shift. It's holidays. You have to work some holidays. Monday to Friday, night shift position, overtime, and weekends. You have to be able to work on weekends. And these are the experience, which is typing, that's required. And the work location is one location. And the hours per week is 20 hours to 29 hours per week, or 30 hours to 39 hours per week. And the company's website is right here. So I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to take you guys to the website. American Answering Service. And this is it right here. You guys can look straight through it. Let an American Answering Service answer for you. They have rates as low as $35. Then, it'll walk you through what the company's about. They have to show the plans and stuff that they have for people if they want to go ahead and try to go ahead and get signed up with American Answer Service, and all of the industries and payment plans and contact numbers. And they have call forwarding, virtual receptionist, order taking, appointment setting, basic answer service, call forwarding. The price is per call, per minute of use, and it's about the company. And they have American Answering Service is an affordable, family-owned and operated answering service. Offers quality communication and answering service solutions that are customized to fit your business needs. Experience does matter. American Answering Service has been providing clients with affordable answering services for over 40 years. So this is the website, you guys, you can go to. But back to this job searching for job number 2. And that's a great job to start at. This is an entry-level position. It is $11 to $14 per hour. Telephone operator, an American Answering Service. So if you can go ahead and apply. That'd be great. I'll place the link down below for that one specific job, okay? All right. Next will be, let's see, I had another one lined up for you guys. Let's go. It's here somewhere. It is this one, a customer support representative. And this is All City Communications. The name of the company is All Cities Communications. And this is based out of Wisconsin, Green Bay. It's a remote position for $13 to $15 per hour, full-time and part-time positions that they have open. And the benefits of this job, you'll be having a 401k plan, a dental insurance, flexible schedule, health insurance, part-time off and paid training. And they have one other one, work from home. This would have the hiring bonus is up to $1,250. So it's $1,250. All City Communications is growing. Training site east side of Green Bay, right across the street from East Town Mall, 2430 Finger Road, Green Bay, Wisconsin 54302. After training, this could become a work from home position with good performance. So if you're around the Wisconsin area, this might be a great job for you. If you're willing to relocate for this job position after you apply, then yes, this will be a great option for you. This is an entry-level position for anyone to apply who have the right type of requirements. Okay, so expectations, you have to take inbound calls and messages for our clients and route them appropriately. Obtain and enter accurate information into message database. Set accurate individuals' goals to meet key performance standards to ensure continual growth. Typing 35 words per minute with accuracy. Correct grammar and pronunciation is critical. Preferred qualifications: ability to keyboard 35 words per minute. Excellent typing and talking skills. Maintain a positive attitude. Quick thinker. Assertive and resilient. Pleasant phone voice and positive tone. Ability to multitask. Great listening skills. Ability to problem solve on own. Think outside the box. Self-accountable. Need for little or no supervision. The competencies of this job: you have to have integrity, accountability, positive attitude, adaptability, and team-oriented. Training process is 5 to 7 weeks classroom training. Full or part-time hours during training. Training is located at 2430 Finger Road, Green Bay, Wisconsin. The flexible hours are job types: part-time, full-time. Shifts available are 4 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and every other weekend. 3 o'clock p.m. through 9 o'clock p.m. Tuesday through Friday, and every other weekend. 10 a.m. through 6:30 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and every other weekend. 6 p.m. 11 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and every other weekend. 10 a.m. through 6:30 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and every other weekend. 7 a.m. through 3:30 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday. If you are looking to work fewer hours per week, we can adjust to meet your schedule. Application questions: you have requested that Indeed asks candidates the following questions. How many years of customer service experience do you have? So this is one location, and they have a 401k plan, dental insurance, flexible schedule, health insurance, paid time off, paid training, and work from home. The schedules they have is day shift, evening shift, holiday, Monday through Friday, and weekend availability. Supplemental pay, they have the bonus pay right here, which is $1,250. And they have the signing bonus. That's the signing bonus. It's $1,250. And ability to relocate is Green Bay, Wisconsin 54302. Reliably commute or planning to relocate before starting work is a requirement. So the application response rate is 91%, and they're hiring only 2 candidates for this role. So you guys go ahead and jump on that, and it's still here in Indeed, so that means that they're still currently hiring. So this is all for this video for today. Keep on shining. Let's go. Let's get these jobs. Let's get these bags. Let's get this money, and make sure you guys are staying on top of all the latest videos that I have. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be alert and know exactly when I am on, and when you guys can look and see the latest jobs before it gets out to the masses and get it when it is hot. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.